What if I told you that just a raw egg and a pinch of turmeric powder could bring unbelievable growth to your plants? Stick around, because today I'll show you this simple but powerful gardening secret. You'll need only 2 ingredients from your kitchen. 1 raw egg, packed with calcium, proteins, and phosphorus to strengthen roots and stems. Turmeric powder, a natural healer and antifungal that protects plants from root rot, infections, and harmful bacteria. Dig a small hole about 3 to 4 inches deep in your soil of plant. Place the raw egg inside. Don't crack it, just bury it whole. Now sprinkle 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder on top of the egg. Finally, cover it with soil. Over the next few days, the egg will slowly decompose, releasing calcium and minerals into the soil. The turmeric will protect the soil from harmful fungi, keeping the roots safe and healthy. In just 7 days, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and faster growth. The combination of nutrients from the egg and the natural protection from turmeric makes this one of the best organic tricks for your plants.